Hey loves, welcome back to another tutorial. Today's video we're going to be learning how to make a beautiful headband. So for this particular headband, I'm making use of a stretchy fabric. Make sure that your fabric has enough stretch. So I'm going to open up the dress and then I'm measuring out 17 inches. I'm measuring out 17 inches by 8 inches. So once I measure that out, I'm going to mark it 17 by 8 inches. That's the length I want and the width that I want. So after that, I'm just going to go ahead and cut off. I'm making this headband for a toddler. That's why I use 17 inches. You can use 20 to 23 inches for an adult. So, but it depends on the amount of stretch that your fabric has. So now the next step is to go ahead and fold it into two. And then I'm going to go over to my sewing machine to secure it. So I'll use my pin to hold it together. So I'm done sewing, and this white stuff you're seeing is the candle that I rubbed on the cloth because most stretchy fabric does not sew. So I had to use candle. This is if you're using a manual machine. So now I'm going to cut off the excesses and then I'm going to turn it over to the right side, just like you see me doing. So once I'm done with that, this is what I'm going to have. I'm going to make the center line to be in the middle, and then this is where we begin to work on it. So first, I decided to iron it out so that everything will lay flat. So now we are going to work on the actual headband. Now I'm going to fold this into two equally. And once I'm done with that, we are going to start working on the headband. So I'm going to shift this. This is going to be meeting the center line, just like you see. Then I'm going to wrap it at the back like this. Then the other one, I'm going to wrap it on the front. And then I'll go ahead and sew. I'm going to repeat this so that you understand it better. So once you fold your fabric into two, you shift this one to the end, like shift it so that the middle will be meeting the edge of the other one. Then wrap it at the back. Just follow what I'm doing. Then wrap this one at the front. And then I'll go over to my sewing machine to secure it. So I'm done and I'm going to flip it over to the right side now. As you can see, our headband is already taking shape and it looks very beautiful. So this is for a toddler and you can make yours as well. This is so pretty. So if you watched to this point and you've not subscribed to our channel, please kindly subscribe and turn on your post notifications so you'll be notified each time I upload a new video. Bye.